Hi everybody, how are you all? Today I'm going to make Easter card because Easter is coming. So you have to take white cardboard and especially which comes from the cake boxes. So the cake treats. So you just take the white cardboard and cut it in the double piece like this in the square shape, and measurement is up to you, and I will cut it in the D shape. First I will draw the D shape with pencil, just half semicircle you draw, and then later on you cut it. So the size is mentioned as well, and you will make it about 8 centimeters. So I made two D shapes pieces, and then I will use this bigger one. So this is about 8 centimeter. You just cut the D shape on any paper or any cardboard, white cardboard. So now I'm cutting ear shape like this, and then later on I will cut it. So I'm making a cute bunny, and I will use the things, different things in it, and I will be taking the names especially so you guys can use it. So I'm making ears, and for this I'm making ear base in the middle, and this is the pink color foaming sheet. So you have to cut the middle part of the ears, which is in pink color with foaming sheet, and I will use hot glue. So I will use hot glue and I will attach it with the help of hot glue on the paper. So this can easily get sticked on the cardboard. So let's paste the second ear of the bunny and it will be ready. So the bunny ears are ready. So now I'm gonna be decorating the face of the bunny. So you can see these are cute ears of the bunny. So I'm using this synthetic fiber and cotton. You can say this is used for filling up the teddy bears and stuffed toys. So let's use the hot glue and let's paste on the white cardboard and let's press it. So when you will press it, this will get sticked to the cardboard, and by the way, the cardboard is very thick and the white cardboard, so it was easy for me to make it stick together. So you will press the hot glue and the cotton. Make sure you are being like careful because it's hot, the hot glue is hot. So let's paste the cotton and the fiber on the ears of the bunny. So this is not difficult process, it's very easy. You just take hot glue and keep pasting this fiber or cotton. So you can get it from any store, this fiber, this cotton, or you can take it from your old stuffed toys. So yes, I have taken it from my old stuffed toy, which was like broken. So I took it and I saved it. So I'm using this black felt sheet for making eyes of the bunny. So just cut two circles on the black felt sheet, and then later on you will need black cardboard for making the inner part of the eyes. You can use any artificial eyes which are used in so many crafts, but I had this felt sheet, so I wanted to make something my own. So let's cut the dots, the small circles, and let's paste it in the middle portion of the eyes like this. So this is the shape of the eyes of the bunny, and let's paste it, and let's paste on the bunny face. And I'm telling you, I'm using the hot glue, and when you will press the cotton, press the fiber, it will be easy for you to make it. And this D shape is like double, the D shape is double. Oh, now I will paste the ears on the bunny face. So, and this bunny card is double piece, and you can open it and you can close it as well. It's like a card. So you will cut the small strips about very less half centimeter, and then you will make the mustache of the bunny. So I'm using this pom pom, pink color pom pom, and I will use these strips. I will put them together like this, and I will use this pom pom on the top. So let's use the hot glue and let's paste it in the cross shape, because this is the mouth of the bunny and mustache. This is the pink pom pom I'm using. So this is very easy for making the nose of the bunny. So this is the pom pom, and let's paste it with the help of hot glue. Paste it, and your bunny nose is ready with the cute mustache, which is in pink color. So let's make the mouth now. I'll use this foaming sheet and I'll use the hot glue, and I'll turn this both sides, and then it will give it a little pipe like shape. You can say it's round. So after making this pipe like little strip, you can also make the mouth and the lips of the bunny. So you will use the hot glue, and you will turn these both sides of this foaming sheet, and later on you can make the lips of the bunny. So I'm not using that spring or any other thing, because I didn't have it. So the things I have available at home, I make the bunny and the crafts with the things available at home. So let's turn these both sides and then paste it on the bunny face. So you can use any thick thread or pink thread also to make the bunny lips. So use the hot glue and attach these cute lips of the bunny. So hot glue is very convenient for using or making these bunny cards. So let's paste this foaming sheet easily, and it will turn upside, and it will make cute lips of the bunny, and it's almost ready. Just turn the sheet upside in the round shape like this, and it's almost ready. So you just have to write inside. You can see how cute it is looking now. So let's write inside it, Happy Easter. So happy Easter to all of you, and please like my video and share my video. You can see, you can open this card. Thank you. Bye.